McCrorie Carpet One is here to install the luxury vinyl tile in her bathroom and on the platform. Those are heavy.
Yeah.
Before, and we'll get the after. We're probably gonna have the steps go both directions, both sides. Yeah. Will there be enough material for that, you think?
Probably. I think I got 2 more whole sticks.
Okay.
So, what is it? Just gonna be 1 step, ain't it?
2. That's gonna be nice. Or stop kicking the edge of the drywall here. As you can see, it's buggered up, but you can't help it.
It always happens.
Yeah, you got contractors coming in and out.
Yeah, everybody comes. All right, set her down. We'll build off her lines. I'm gonna make a line there at the header.
Maybe use the pole bar.
Yeah.
This will firm up the threshold a little bit. It's a different height flooring than it is in the house by about, I don't know, 1/4 inch. Look at that. Huge difference. Yeah, a little bit of glue and the shim is a huge difference.
Yeah, it won't go anywhere that way.
Slick. Footnote, don't cut anything on the tile.
Yeah, they get go like that.
Where the tile begins establishes where it's laid out.
Good? Yeah. Anything in?
I think so.
Pretty hard because I got a wood block, and so it doesn't have as much weight as this one does.
From the mark to the wall is 37 inches.
1 inch. I see where the floating floor can sometimes be a hassle.
Yeah, I start off the wall and I have blocks that hold it in place off the wall.
When you're here in the
But
air.
I have this entry, look at the focus. So when you walk through, it looks like you're walking through a full set here.
I sure like the way it's laid out. This is the right direction for sure. Looks good.
Yeah, it gives it the length.
Yeah. Check it out, Diane. Looks really nice. That stuff like fiberglass?
I'm not really sure what it is made out of. It's pressed something.
It tends to stick to you, doesn't it?
Oh yeah. You get all in your hair, clothes.
Flange cut.
Huh?
Pretty fancy cut.
Yeah, they're a little hard. Yeah, just a little bit.
Leave that there too.
Just a little turn or whatever it.
Think that one you're kneeling on, I can finish off this one in here too.
Okay.
There is a light in the bathroom if that would help, but it's not much of one. It's just a fan light. It's just, there you go. The hole.
The way we set it up, it felt perfect. Full board, half board.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, that's what I said. I was like, oh, that wall followed.
So the shower pan will sit on the subfloor, not on the...
Yeah, because this is a free floating floor, so it has to have room to grow and expand
Right.
and contract. And then two, when we come back to the steps, and hopefully they're gonna set this, have that set,
Go, well, I hope so. Yeah.
because I can get a tub stick and we can wrap a tub stick on it. And
Oh,
what
okay.
it does is it flanges down like this. It's only about this tall. It's white, and it
Oh, nice.
flanges down and pushes the water away from everything.
Perfect.
Luckily, that thing's pretty light.
Yeah. I was thinking it was gonna be heavy. I
So
thought
did
it was
I thought it was
ceramic
gonna
or
be
something.
too. Yeah, we're gonna need ribs, unfortunately. That's just.
Looking good. What is this edging called again?
It's stair nose.
Sternos, okay. Nice.
Glue it all. It's all glued. I'm not gonna do any nails to it, 'cause we may have to pop it.
That looks really nice.
Build as you go. So
I've seen those around here that are built, home built. Some are even campers. But you don't plan on camping in yours, huh?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna
Oh, you
be
do?
camping in it,
Oh.
Yeah.
Who's gonna camp?
Are you a hunter too?
No, I've been once before. I like fishing, but I'm horrible at it.
At least you're honest.
Yeah.
So the painter's tape is holding it together while the glue sets.
Yeah, so you have to be kind of careful with it.
Yeah.
Kind of weird.
I'll stay away from it.
Yep,
All done for today, huh?
I think that's it.
Well, Sky's disappointed.
Yeah, nice and cool in here, huh, puppy? Yeah, nice and cool in here, ain't it, puppy?
Well, except for the paint cans and the tape on the edges, which is temporary, it looks really good. Just like we envisioned.